Dear Ali, this is a new machine that is ready for you. Here I would like to introduce the whole machine to you. First, I want to introduce the different parts of the machine. Okay, let's see the front side of the machine. This is the key switch and this is the emergency switch. When there's the emergency situation, you can press down this button. And this is the touch screen. These are the two handpieces. One is for HR and the other is for SR. Okay, let's see the background of this machine. You will see three fans. And this is for water in, and this is for water out. This is the wind hole, and this is the circular switch, and this is the cable. Okay, let's see the operation of the machine. First, to begin the operation, you should press this switch and turn on the key switch. You will see your logo on the screen. And we will enter into a display that consists of 5 different parts: operation, language, calibration, about, and setting. Okay, for language, there are 12 different languages available for you to choose. We just choose English, for example. And for calibration, this is to calibrate the voltage of the machine. And this function is only used by engineer. Normally, you don't need to touch this function. Okay, for this function is to show you the information of the handpieces. And for setting, there are 3 parts: left port, right port, and reset. These are for the different handpieces. Okay, now let's begin our operation. You will enter into the display for HR. This is for hair removal. To begin this operation, first you should adjust the energy. You can adjust the energy to the full, but you don't need that much. We just adjust this to 3 joules, for example, and set the cooling to the full. Okay. Now in the middle of this display, you will see working status, timer, and reset. Working status is that when I press down the button of the handpieces, working status will become red. And timer, we have 3 different choices: 1 second, 3 seconds, and 30 seconds. Here we just choose 1 second, for example. And this is to count the short times of the handpieces. Okay, now see the below. Below are the 5 different functions. The first is to identify the right handpiece. The second is the water flow. And third is the water temperature. The fourth is water level. And the last is capacitance. Okay, now let's begin the HR operation. Okay, see this handpiece. This handpiece is for HR hair removal, and this handpiece has the red button. Okay, to begin the operation, you should press the ready button, and you will see the lamp of this handpiece is turned on. Now see the operation. Okay. Let's set the timer to 3 seconds and again do the operation. Okay. Now, after doing the hair removal operation, before we put back this handpiece to its place, we should again press the ready button and put this handpiece to its place. Okay, this is for hair removal operation. In order to end this operation, we should press the button end and press the operation and press the setting. Sorry. Okay, we just choose another handpiece. Okay, see the screen. This is for SR, for skin rejuvenation. Okay, we again need to adjust the energy. You can adjust it to 12 joule at most, but you don't need that much. We just adjust it to, for example, 4 joule, okay, and set the cooling to the full. Okay, in the middle of the screen, you will see the same as the HR display, the working status, the timer, and reset. And below are the same functions as HR operation. Okay, now let's begin the SR operation. See this handpiece? This handpiece is the SR handpiece for skin rejuvenation, and this handpiece has the white button. And to begin this operation, we have to again press the ready button and begin the operation. Okay, now let's set the timer to 3 seconds and again do the operation. Okay, now after doing the SR operation, before we put back this handpiece to the right place, we have to press the ready button to end this operation. Okay, to exit this display, just press the end button and we will back to this display. Okay, now turn off the key switch and again turn off the circular switch. Okay, that's all for the operation. Thank you.